Yun ang salanga. Hindi ba yan salanga?
For the ones who are just joining us, please make sure to use only 2 fingers in order to touch it. Touch the bag very gentle and easy. Avoid the eyes and the tail as they are so sensitive. Only 2 fingers, guys. Like this way. Touch the bag very
Salanga
gently.
pala to, salanga.
Avoid the eyes, avoid the tail as they are so sensitive.
Avoid lang yung eyes.
May tinigdan pa.
Saka yung tail.
Yan, okay yan. Wala yan. Ito. Ito, matulis lang yan pag maano ka niyan. Diba?
Ang laki nito. Avoid din.
Uy, 2 finger lang daw, Jo. Hindi ka nakakarinig. Pagalitan tayo.
For the ones who are just joining us, please make sure to touch them with only 2 fingers in the back. A gentle eye and
That's
avoid
my
the
job.
tail as they are so sensitive. Thank you so much.